Hello everyone. Today you will learn how to pronounce the American sound R, consonant R. Two things to remember when making an American R sound. First thing, your mouth and lips come forward. Oh, 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 oh. Second thing, your tongue moves back in your mouth. Your tongue moves back in your mouth. To make sure that your tongue in the correct place, you can make this. Put your finger into your mouth. Make your tip of finger touch your tip of tongue. Oh, 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 oh. Like this. Or. Let's practice some words. Add or at the beginning of words. Rock, rip, reach, road, rain, rich, room, raise, robe, rice. Now, or at the end of words or after a vowel. Car, far, star, door, bear, for, air, year, turn, poor, and are in the middle of words. Very, direction, arrange, erase, correct, marry, garage, original, hurry, zero, marine, bury, arrive, operation, caring, everyone. R blends. Remember, R is the strongest sound of the blend. R is the strongest sound of the blend. When the blend is at the beginning of word, your mouth prepares for the R before even prepares for the R by coming forward before you even say the word. Let's say, listen and repeat. R blends at the beginning of words. Training. Did you notice? My mouth and lips and tongue prepare for the R before even I say it. I still didn't say the R, but my mouth and lips prepare for it. Training, trust, trip, great, tropical, bring, print, president, product, cracker, crawl, break. Notice? R blends in the middle of words. Subtract, waitress, nutrition, Australia, introduce, compress, operation, betray. Or practice sentences. The story he read on the radio was incorrect. The story he read on the radio was incorrect. Her career in the law firm is permanent. Her career in the law firm is permanent. Another sentence. Richard and Brooke took a ride in their brand new Range Rover truck. Richard and Brooke took a ride in their brand new Range Rover truck. Everyone will respect the royal family when they arrive at the airport. Everyone will respect the royal family when they arrive at the airport. Last one. The trip to the Rocky Mountains will be rescheduled on Friday. The trip to the Rocky Mountains will be rescheduled on Friday. Thanks for listening.